Hi writers, happy Thursday. I am so excited for you to be here. Please note that on Thursday we're gonna work on doing this as a class. So I would prefer if you be there, but if you miss our class on Thursday at 12, really sad that you missed us. But yeah, for sure to keep watching so that you know what you missed. And if you have any questions, be sure to come to office hours tonight at 2:40 to 4 or Friday, or just any days a week, and I will help you figure out what you missed. So our learning target for today is I can write and share narratives to develop real experiences by using effective techniques for relevant descriptive details. And our other learning target is to get familiar with using Flipgrid to share our writing with our classmates. So our plan for today is we're going to practice using Flipgrid to prepare for our first writing celebration of this year. Okay, so now let's see if my lovely dot cam will work for me. Think we're doing good so far. Awesome. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, and I'm gonna give this a little slurp. Nope, wrong way. Okay, here we are. Third time, maybe the charm. Let's see. So what we're gonna use is, I actually have Flipgrid already on my iPad as an app right over here. If you don't have it, let me give it a second to focus. If you don't have Flipgrid, that is okay. What I would recommend to do is go check out self-service and search for Flipgrid. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. So right away, it talks about needing a code. And I already have on Schoology, you can see it right then and there. Right over here, you can take a picture of it or you can use this link right here, depending on if you have a device. So let me try using the barcode. I don't know if it's going to work because I'm trying on my computer. Ooh, it's working. Yay! Okay, so let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and let's go back over here. Beautiful. So this is what it took me to right away. Right now there's no responses because y'all haven't even started yet. So let's go ahead and record a response. I think I send in with my Google because that's my teacher account. I would use your St. Paul email. At some point, Julian used my iPad. I'm gonna move this off for just a second so I can put in my password and username. And just like that, hopefully. Let's see. And it takes me right to it. Yay, we're doing awesome. So I'm gonna open it up right over here, and then it talks about having to record it. You only have 5 minutes. I'm only giving you about 5 minutes to record. Let's see if it helps if I give it a second. It says 5 minutes right then and there. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. So it says the topic is being moderated, which just means that Miss Garcia Fisher is gonna have to approve everybody before they can submit on there. And I'm just gonna pretend like I'm reading mine. I'm not doing the full 5 minutes, just so you know. So let's pretend. Maya shouted, "Ice cream!" We could hear the music from a distance. I should have known that day to have brought my house keys with us, but we heard the ice cream truck and we hunted for money around the house. So for me, I'm just doing a short moment of it. If you want, what you can do, if it makes you feel happier or more content, is to you can upload pictures right over here or show pictures of your actual writing. Oh, and that is just horrible. So just showing the reflection of the light above me. And so now what it looks like, the review, which I'm going to just prove it because I don't want to hear my voice right now. And then it asks you to take a selfie, if you can see it. Oh, I hate that ugly glare from above. So I'm going to just take my quick selfie for it. Cute, adorable. And I'm going to just go ahead and press this submit button. It already has your name. Don't need to worry about your title or link, but do make sure it has your actual name so that I know who it is so I can give you credit. So I'm going to go ahead and press submit. And now I am done with submitting my work. So you're actually going to show your actual favorite story of what you want to share through Flipgrid. But this is just the example for the short video. And like I said, if you come to our lovely class on Thursday for our live session, that would be great. So just figure out what your favorite narrative is that you want to share with your classmates. And next week we're going to jump into actually watching all the lovely videos once they're approved and everything's all good. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Make sure to come to office hours if you have any questions. Bye.